B2 English Listening Practice, Cultural Diversity. Welcome to English with Sophia. Cultural diversity and its benefits in the workplace. Hello, dear English learners. Welcome back to English with Sophia. I'm thrilled to have you join me for today's important lesson on cultural diversity and its benefits in the workplace. This topic is not only crucial for our professional development, but also provides an excellent opportunity to enhance our English language skills. So, let's dive in and explore this fascinating subject together. Warm-up, vocabulary and discussion. Before we delve into the main content, let's start with some key vocabulary related to cultural diversity. Try to guess the meanings of these words. 1. Diversity. 2. Inclusion. 3. Multicultural. 4. Stereotype. 5. Bias. Now, let's discuss. Have you heard these terms before? Can you use any of them in a sentence? Excellent work. We'll be using these terms and many more throughout our lesson. Remember, it's perfectly normal if you don't understand everything immediately. Learning new vocabulary is a gradual process. What is cultural diversity? Let's begin by defining cultural diversity. Cultural diversity refers to the existence of a variety of cultural or ethnic groups within a society. In the workplace, it means having a workforce composed of people from different cultural backgrounds with varied experiences, perspectives, and skills. Language focus. Not is how we use refer to define, a term. Can you think of other phrases we use to explain concepts in English? Discussion. Question. How would you explain cultural diversity to someone who has never heard of it before? Try using simple language. The importance of cultural diversity in the workplace. Now, let's explore why cultural diversity is crucial in the workplace. 1. Enhanced creativity and innovation. Different perspectives can lead to more creative solutions and innovative ideas. 2. Improved problem solving. Diverse teams can approach problems from various angles, often resulting in better outcomes. 3. Increased cultural awareness. Working with people from different backgrounds increases understanding and empathy. 4. Broader market. Appeal. A diverse workforce can better understand and serve a diverse customer base. 5. Improved company reputation. Companies known for diversity often attract top talent and customers. Vocabulary building. Let's break down some compound words we've used. Workplace, work, house, place. Workforce, work plus force. Customer base, customer plus base. Can you think of other compound words related to work or business? Listening activity. Listen to this short audio clip about the benefits of diversity in the workplace. Then, try to summarize the main points in your own words. Insert audio clip here. Benefits of cultural diversity in the workplace. Let's dive deeper into the benefits of cultural diversity. 1. Increased productivity. Diverse teams often outperform homogeneous ones, leading to increased productivity. 2. Enhanced employee engagement. When employees feel valued for their unique contributions, they're more likely to be engaged and committed. 3. Better decision-making. Diverse perspectives can lead to more well-rounded and effective decisions. 4. Improved language skills. Working in a multicultural environment can help employees improve their language skills. 5. Global market insights. Employees from different cultures can provide valuable insights into global markets. Critical thinking task. Choose one of these benefits and explain how it might impact a company's success. Share your thoughts in the comments section. Role-play activity. With a partner, imagine you're in a job interview. One person is the interviewer, asking about the candidate's experience with cultural diversity. The other is the interviewee, explaining their experiences and why they value diversity. Use phrases like, "In my experience, I believe that," and "for example," in your conversation. Grammar focus. Comparative and superlative adjectives. Let's take a moment to focus on an important grammar point: comparative and superlative adjectives. We often use these when discussing diversity and its benefits. Rules. 1. For short adjectives, add "er" for comparative and "est" for superlative. Example: diverse, more diverse, most diverse. 2. For longer adjectives, use more for comparative and most for superlative. Example: productive, more productive, most productive. 3. Irregular adjectives have special forms. Example: good, better, best. Practice. Complete these sentences using the correct form of the adjective in brackets. 1. A diverse team is often creative than a homogeneous one. 2. The Stator's successful companies are usually those that embrace diversity. 3. Working in a multicultural environment can make you at communication. Answers. 1. More creative. 2. Most successful. 3. Better. Challenges of cultural diversity and how to overcome them. While cultural diversity brings many benefits, it can also present challenges. Let's explore some common issues and how to address them. 1. Communication barriers. Different languages or communication styles can lead to misunderstandings. Solution: promote clear communication, offer language training, and encourage asking for clarification. 2. Cultural misunderstandings. Differences in cultural norms can cause conflicts. Solution: provide cultural awareness training and encourage open dialogue about cultural differences. 3. Stereotyping and bias. Unconscious biases can affect workplace interactions and decisions. Solution: implement bias awareness training and establish clear anti-discrimination policies. 4. Resistance to change. Some employees may resist increased diversity efforts. Solution: educate employees about the benefits of diversity and lead by example. Writing task. Write a short paragraph, 5 to 7 sentences, describing a situation where cultural diversity led to a challenge in a workplace and how it was resolved. Use some of the new vocabulary and grammar we've learned. Listening comprehension. Listen to this interview with a diversity and inclusion expert discussing common challenges in diverse workplaces. Then, answer the following questions. 1. What is the main challenge mentioned in the interview? 2. What solution does the expert suggest? 3. Can you identify any comparative or superlative adjectives used in the interview? Insert audio clip here. Strategies for promoting cultural diversity in the workplace. Now let's look at some strategies companies can use to promote cultural diversity. 1. Implement diversity training. Educate employees about the importance of diversity and inclusion. 2. Create inclusive policies. Develop and enforce policies that promote equality and prevent discrimination. 3. Celebrate cultural differences. Organize events or activities that celebrate different cultures. 4. Diverse hiring practices. Actively seek to hire employees from diverse backgrounds. 5. Mentorship programs. Pair employees from different cultural backgrounds to promote understanding and growth. Discussion activity. In small groups or in the comments, discuss, which of these strategies do you think is most effective? Why? Can you think of any additional strategies to promote cultural diversity? Language practice. Use the future tense to make predictions about how these strategies might impact a workplace. For example, if a company implements diversity training, employees will become more culturally aware. The global perspective on workplace diversity. As businesses become increasingly global, understanding cultural diversity is more important than ever. Let's consider some global perspectives. 1. Multinational corporations. These companies often have diverse workforces spread across different countries. 2. Cross-cultural communication. The ability to communicate effectively across cultures is a valuable skill in the global marketplace. 3. Adapting to local markets. Understanding different cultures helps companies adapt their products and services to local preferences. 4. International teamwork. Many projects now involve team members from different countries collaborating remotely. Research task. Choose a multinational company and research its approach to cultural diversity. Prepare a short presentation, 2-3 minutes, about your findings. Conclusion and quiz. As we conclude this lesson on cultural diversity in the workplace, I hope you've not only expanded your English vocabulary and comprehension, but also gained valuable insights into this important topic. Remember, embracing cultural diversity in the workplace isn't just about following rules or being politically correct. It's about creating an environment where everyone can contribute their unique perspectives and talents, leading to more innovation, better problem solving, and ultimately, greater success. Now, let's test your understanding with a short quiz. 1. What does cultural diversity refer to in the workplace? A. Having employees of different ages. B. Having a workforce composed of people from different cultural backgrounds. C. Having employees with different job titles. 2. Which of the following is not mentioned as a benefit of cultural diversity? A. Enhanced creativity and innovation. B. Increased productivity. C. Reduced operating costs. 3. What is a good strategy for overcoming communication barriers in a diverse workplace? A. Ignore the differences. B. Promote clear communication and offer language training. C. Only hire people who speak the same language. 4. Complete the sentence. A diverse team is often more creative than a homogeneous one. A. More. B. Most. C. Much. 5. Which tense would you use to make predictions about the impact of diversity strategies? A. Past tense. B. Present tense. C. Future tense. Answers: 1 by B, 2 dot C, 3 by BB, 4 AA, 5 C. Thank you for joining me for this important lesson on cultural diversity in the workplace. Don't forget to subscribe to English with Sophia for more lessons on relevant professional topics that will boost your language skills and knowledge. Until next time, keep practicing your English and remember, in our diverse world, understanding and appreciating different cultures is not just a skill, it's a superpower. Additional resources. To continue learning about cultural diversity in English, check out these resources. Harvard Business Review's Diversity section. https://hbr.org, topic, diversity. TED Talks on Cultural Diversity. https://www.ted.com, topics, diversity. Society for Human Resource Management, SHRM. Diversity. Resources. https://www.shrm.org. Resources and tools. HR topics. Behavioral competencies, global and cultural effectiveness, pages default. ASPX. Remember, engaging with authentic English language materials on professional topics is an excellent way to improve your language skills while staying informed about important workplace trends.